Hello students, in this video we will explore what are the other things we can do with the student workspace tab apart from going for live lecture. So I have clicked over student workspace. This directs me to the homework. Now you can see 1, 2, 3, 3 tabs at the above. So once I have clicked the last one, I could see the homeworks which has been assigned by the teachers. So if I click over this, I can go through the videos which the teacher has assigned to me, and I can also go to the exercises which the teacher has assigned to me to do. Now I'll go back. Now after this homework you can see there is a classwork, so I'll click over the classwork. So now you click over the date, like today is 15. So now the teacher of mathematics has circulated some of the videos and some of the exercises to you, which you can take over from classwork, like here.
In this module, we will learn how to calculate arithmetic mean and range.
You can go through the video which the teacher has shared, and you can go through the course book or exercise which the teacher has given to you for your practice. Right? In this way you can do the practice. Right? I'll go back. Now at last what you were able to see is courses. So now in this, at the above you can see the subjects are there. Hindi is there, science is there, English is there, math is there. In this way you can browse each and every subject. For example, I am browsing over the math. So in math, here you can see the chapters are there. All the chapters of math subjects are there, right? So since today the teacher has taken some lecture in lines and angle, so I will click over the lines and angle. Once I have clicked over the lines and angle, I can see the published videos and the content which the teacher has assigned to student. This is video of session 1. This is, and as the system progresses, this is video of session 3. So in this way, when the teacher is publishing the videos, you will be able to see the videos. Right? Now I'll come to this. In session 1, if I want to see this, I can just click it over it, that particular video, and
module,
I can look around the
video. You will
video.
learn to identify if.
Now above, at the above you can see this home like icon, which is homework given by the teacher at this particular session. Once you click over it, you can go through the videos, right, which the teacher has shared for this particular session. Now I got lots of questions that where I can see the recorded videos of live lecture which the teacher has taken. So here is the option. Here is the option of live recordings of lectures which the teacher has taken. So here you can go with the recordings and click, and you can go with the recordings which the teacher has taken for your session. So in this way you can explore the student workspace for your academics progression. Thank you.